How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today I just wanted to give a little bit of an update on the most recent ADA video I made talking about the catastrophic failure that happened on Cardano's testnet. Everyone pointed out, this was on the testnet that this happened. Cardano itself, the main net, the main blockchain that Cardano runs on, is completely fine. And this is just normal for testing software. Things go wrong, and that's why we have these test nets to actually test on. So if something goes wrong, nothing happens to the main net. Before we get started, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. We provide daily crypto content, education, and analysis. With that, let's get right into the news. So this is going to be a complete 180 here. Cardano, now better than ever, declares ecosystem dev who warned of catastrophic testnet issues. Renowned Cardano ecosystem developer Adam Dean, who has previously highlighted some of the critical issues in the forthcoming Vasal Hardfork, has affirmed that the blockchain network is now better than ever. As iCrypto reported earlier, Dean flagged issues with the Cardano testnet stemming from an undiscovered bug in the Vasal node 1.35.2. He claimed that the Vasal hardfork was being rushed, thus creating technical issues. Cardano has since released new client software, Cardano node v1.35.3, on two separate testnets after the bug discovery. Dean maintains that version 1.35.3 was still incompatible and incapable of syncing with the original testnet, despite Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson saying that it was heavily tested. Dean recently took to Twitter to share a screenshot of his latest Vasal testing, captioning, "Building together, stronger, better than ever." The ancient Kraken, a prominent Cardano devotee who develops the Plutus platform and operates the Logic stake pool, indicated that Cardano nodes 1.34.1 and 1.35.3 are normalized and are working in line with the terms of use of smart contracts. While there's still more testing to be done, the developer feels more confident after the bug fix. Stake pool operator Andrew Westberg also confirmed that developers have successfully fixed the issue. ADA Handle co-founder has also echoed the same sentiment, saying that retweeting this to confirm that, as of now, all tests demonstrate that 1.35.3 is in fact ready to go. All issues detected on 1.35.0, 1.35.1, 1.35.2 could not be recreated. So this is really good news to hear. It shows that the testnet did its job. It found the bug and it was lost in the catastrophic failure of the testnet, but it protected the main net and allowed a lot of developers, they were able to gather the data and fix the bug. And it looks like the Vasal hardfork is back on. It looks like we're working out really, really well. Even Adam Dean, who originally highlighted the catastrophic failure of the testnet, is confident that the new version 1.35.3 is actually working and is a go for the Vasal hardfork. At this point, all we're waiting for is 75% of the stake pool operators to convert to version 1.35.3. And at that time, the conditions for the Vasal hardfork will be met and they can start the process for that. With that in mind, let's get into the technical analysis. Right here, I'm checking out ADA-USD, the top and bottom finder metric on the tradeconfident.io website. It was last updated this morning, 8/22. Here we can see that over the weekend we had a good buy signal. It hit right at the bottom with a green confirmation bar at the bottom. We consider this a good buy. So for those that were able to get in right here, you may have even actually been able to take profit already, which is incredible, just within the first candle right after that buy signal. As of right now, we are sitting on a key support level. We're right at the bottom of that, and I will talk about that with TradingView. So let's check out those charts right now. Here we are with ADA-USD on the 4-hour time frame. The top and bottom finder is set to signal strength of 8. I will be coming out with a video on how to adjust that, why you should adjust it, and when you should adjust it soon. So stay tuned for that throughout this week. Right now we see a solid green candle. We're at the top of that right now. We saw strong buy signals right at the bottom here over the weekend as well to correlate with the buy signal we saw from the Trade Confident metric. We also got that sell signal that I was talking about. So if you guys were able to get in at the bottom, congratulations on that winning trade. We're not seeing any confirmation bars down here, so I would hesitate on this specific buy candle. That's just me though. I like to look for multiple confirmations of a candle and a signal before I actually enter the trade. As I said earlier, we are on very key support levels. Let me switch to the 1-day time frame here. It'll make it a little bit easier to see. You can see this red line price is sitting very solidly on this support structure right at about 45 cents. This was a market-wide drop here. It was pretty rough over the weekend for many. I did say in one of my previous videos that I don't think we've hit the bottom yet, and I still think this holds true. I do think Bitcoin, and by extension the rest of the coins on the market, do have a little bit of room to move down here. This was a big drop. It brought us down to these support structures across multiple coins. I don't think we've quite hit the bottom yet still. It's hard to say what the timeline for that is right now, as we don't have a solid pattern to work with. If we switch back over to the 4-hour time frame, we do have a few more candles. It does look like we could be seeing a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern, which is a reversal. But that needs to play out first, and we will be paying attention and keeping you updated on that. Anyways, guys, this video was mostly just to serve to give an update on the testnet failure that happened. It looks like everything is working. ADA did see a pretty big drop over the weekend, but so did every other coin, so that wasn't really in response to the Vasal Hardfork problems. For now, it does look like the Vasal Hardfork is coming up. I did see a stat of, I believe, 31% of those stake pool operators are a go for the Vasal Hardfork. Like I said earlier, we need 75% of them before the hard fork can actually happen. 30% is higher than the 25% it was when the video originally came out. I believe that was a few days ago on Friday. So things are building. It looks like we could be seeing that hard fork happen, and if it does, I think that's going to be huge for Cardano. With that, we're at a very strong support level on Cardano as well. We could see a head and shoulders pattern forming at the moment. That remains to be seen though, and if we get confirmation, we will provide that update for you guys. If anyone used the metrics over the weekend, they likely actually won the trade already within the next candle, which is awesome. So congrats for you guys that won the trade. It wasn't an official call, so we're not going to be counting it or anything. But for those of you that did take the trade, congrats on that. And yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about today. If you want to use any of the trading tools you saw in this video, you're going to want to head over to the links in the description. Super easy. Just head down and click there. You're going to head over to tradeconfident.io/trading tutorial video. You're going to check out the scalping record right here just to show for yourself. Our strategy is working great for us. You're going to watch our strategy video to see how we trade. You're going to grab that membership. It's $75 a month. And includes access to all trade calls, masterclasses, community chat, and live coaching every single month. We are doing the live coaching this Thursday, August 25th, so stay tuned for that. We really hope to see you guys there. Step 3 is just to join that Telegram channel so you get access to all of the Trade Confident updates that we have. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.